Yeah, I knew that in the past years. I didn't think the school was selling pumpkins this year.
They're selling pumpkins this year.
Are they nice ones? Which grade grew them?
I'm not sure. Forget what grade it was in. Probably grade 3.
Okay, well, I will send you to school next week with some money for pumpkins.
I think they're smaller though. I haven't I only saw the ones that were out. I didn't see the ones that were in the trailer.
Okay, well, you can pick the ones that you want.
Okay. I have a test today.
You what?
I have another test today.
Oh, good.
How's that good?
Because they keep you on your toes.
I guess.
You can get out here.
Okay.
Watch out for that squirrel. It might be a spicy one.
I don't know how the spicy squirrel would be able to get here.
Yeah, just walk. There's a bridge over the river. They do swim too. So.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Okay, love ya.
Bye.
See ya. There goes the little girl. There she goes. Well, today, let's go take a look at the trailer and figure out what else we can do to it. I believe there's some more work for sure to be done. Okay, look, the sun's out today. Much different day than yesterday. Yesterday it was rain. So I just got off the phone with some lady about a metal toolbox. And I need a little toolbox for the trailer, the new boat trailer. So we're gonna go pick up this $5 toolbox so I can bolt it to the side of the trailer. I'll be keeping straps and ratchet straps and bungees and stuff in it. Then it's always ready to go. Well, I got a $5 toolbox, and is it ever pretty? Somebody painted it all nice, different colors. It's a different color inside than it is outside, and the trays is a different color. So I'm gonna have to give it a quick sand and paint it black. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the shop right now, and I'll figure out how I'm going to mount this onto the trailer. And I know I'm going to bolt it on, but I don't know how exactly how I'm going to do that yet. How far it has to be out from the trailer in order to open and close nicely, because the lid fits over top, so it'll move back when you open it, probably about 1.5 inches, maybe a little less. Hopefully it's less, because I've got 1.5 inches space. Anyways, we'll see what it looks like. So here we go. This is it. It's a pretty blue. Any guesses on what color it is inside? Okay, wait for it. Blue on the lid, orange in the bottom. And there's already a hole. So I don't have to drill a hole in that corner, just the other 3. And the tray is red. It's not the original red that the toolbox was. but it's pretty red anyways. So I've got a couple of 2x3s behind here. I'm just going to bolt it on to the trailer. I'm going to paint this first, and I'll paint the blocks first, so they'll get 2 coats, and then we'll just bolt this on, and I'll have a little box or straps, and the 2x whatever, so that the lid opens. It doesn't really affect the trailer. Let's see. Touches. That's okay. Ta-da! It's black now. With runs. The runs are an anti-theft deterrent. But doesn't it look nice? Look at that shine. Okay, we're gonna let this dry for over the weekend, I think, and then we'll install it on the side of the trailer. So, yeah, I've got bolts, I've got washers, I think, and we should be good to go. Well, I got the call from Mom that she needed vegetables. So I've been to the grocery store, bought vegetables, bought Halloween candy, because it's good to keep in the car just in case, right? Never know, you get stranded in a snowbank somewhere. Gotta keep those carbs happening so you don't starve to death. Now I've got, I'm gonna drop off the veg, but on the way over, I've got to hit the hardware store and hopefully pick up, I hope they have it, a 200 watt light bulb. I'm gonna buy 3 of them if they have 3 of them. That's what we use in our kitchen because it's dark. We've got a 150 in there right now, and it just doesn't cut it. Probably should just change the light fixture at some point. We'll see. It's a lot of work to change a light fixture. Oh, the selection. What do I get? Ooh, that's a pretty one. That's down here. Oh, okay. I got a hold of Ma, and I've got groceries for her. I'm going to drop those off. When I went to the hardware store to get the light bulbs, I found they have a 300 watt Philips light bulb. The other hardware store near Heidi's doesn't sell those. I didn't get the 300 though. I did get 3 of the 200s. I think the 300 would blow just as quickly as the 200s do. 200s last maybe 4 to 6 months in our kitchen light, and I don't know why they don't last so long. That's just how that goes. The light doesn't get banged around or anything. And these are rough service bulbs. They should take a beating, but they don't seem to. It could be the way the shade keeps the heat in. I think that might have something to do with it. But anyways, heading over to Mom's now. I'm going to just drop off some groceries for her, and then we're gonna head home. Oh, look what I found. A little chocolate bar. Imagine. It's a great idea to keep those in the car. Get the transaction. Hey, Mom. Okay, where's gonna eat vegetables now. And some chocolate. I threw some candies in there. Chocolate bars and M&M's. The such. Let's get out of here. You gotta see it outside. Has it ever turned into a beautiful day? Look at the temperature. Look at the temperature. Jeez, I can't believe I took that sailboat and put it away yesterday. I think maybe we'll go sailing this weekend. Let's hope the temperature stays the same. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Click clicky things. Put a thumbs up for the black on the outside toolbox. I'm gonna leave the inside the same. Well, I'm gonna add a couple of holes in the bottom. But that'll be it. Remember, be nice to each other. Wear a mask. No hugs. And there's something else. You'll remember it later on.